welcome back on my channel. For today, I have again to show you something really far. Again to show you something really far. Welcome back to my channel. It is again that time of the month. Yes, it is indeed, because look what I got today. Yes, this is the monthly Look Fantastic beauty box. Another year older and more fantastic than ever. And we have here the booklet. September. This month we are celebrating the third birthday of the Look Fantastic beauty box with our special birthday edition. You'll discover that we have gifted you 6 amazing beauty treats in this month. Let's get ready to party. But we also have this month a new number from Elle magazine. So I will open it. Also, if you will check on my description box, you can get £5 discount for the Look Fantastic beauty box if you want just to try how it is. Normally the price for 1 month subscription is £15. However, if you use my discount code, you'll pay only £10. Let's go to show you the products. So, KINGSLEY elasticizer. This is a hair product. The elasticizing factor of this shampoo treatment smooths each strand to incredible silkiness, improves the suppleness of your hair, stretchability, strength and shine whilst leaving it softer, less brittle, beautifully manageable and lustrous. How to use it? Before shampooing, apply elasticizer to wet hair in sections. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. Shampoo and condition as normal. So it's great we have to keep it only 2-3 minutes, because I hate hair treatment where you have to wait like 20 minutes. I don't have sometimes, and I don't have so much time for this. So how much we got here? We have 40 milliliters. The second product is coming from the brand OMOROVICZA. It's an Hungarian brand. I hope I spell it correctly. It is the Ultra Moor Mud Mask. Let's focus. We have here 5 milliliters. Not so much, but I get it because this is an expensive brand. So what we have here, this is the mask. I will not open it because I have other masks on my rotation right now. Anyway, I will use it and I will let you know in future videos if I enjoy it or not. Detox, cleanse and revise your skin with this mask that works to purify, energize and define the contours of your face. Using a range of anti-aging benefits, this clay mask expertly hydrates and protects your skin, and it works deeply to lift and brighten your complexion. How to use it? Apply to face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it for 15 minutes, then remove thoroughly with a damp facial mist or cloth. If you have combination skin, try using this specifically on your T-zone. So probably this I will use. This I will do because I have combination skin. I will use it on my T-zone. Thank you for this beautiful mask. Next product is the one that I'm most excited, and is from Evlom. It's their cleanser, and month is coming with their muslin cloth. This is the cloth. It's normal one, nothing special. And this is the cleanser. Guys, you just need a tiny amount on your finger. You will warm it up and apply, and will remove all the makeup, including the most stubborn mascara. I cannot say how beautiful and amazing is this product. So if you want to try it, now it will be a great opportunity to buy this beauty box and you will try, because the price for 100 milliliters, I think it is around 40-50 pounds. I only use it when I have full face makeup and I'm lazy to clean it. And when I have this applied, the removing of the makeup is just a dream for me. So I highly recommend this product. Next product, Mane and Tail Original Hoof Maker Hand and Nail Cream. Ooh, hand cream. The fast absorbing and non-greasy cream targets correct dry skin not only on your hands but also on your feet and body. When applied to hand, it strengthens and protects nails to leave them strongly and healthy. Expect smooth, comfortable, rejuvenated skin all over, straight and after application. How to use it: massage into dry skin on the hands, feet or body, especially knees and elbows. Next product is from Lord & Berry and is strobing pencil. Oh, is this little guy. Woohoo! And it looks like this. I will not swatch it because I have another strobing pencil and because I'm thinking that I might put this on a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy this product. Aromatherapy Associates. What they say: lavender and peppermint or revise morning bath. Make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. This month you'll have either received I got it. We have two options, either lavender and peppermint or revised morning bath and shower oil. I got the Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. I would prefer to have lavender and peppermint, but this is the life. Okay, so we have the sixth and the last product, but I see that we still have something here. I think my son will enjoy this. This is Parma Violets, and there are some drops. Okay, so this for sure I will give it to my son. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I will wait for you next month for a new unboxing. Until then, keep watching on my channel because I will upload more and interesting videos for you. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.